Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. Another week of savings challenges, and this week is rolling the dice. So let's get started. I have £140 here that I usually have each week. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. How was your weekend? I hope very well, and I hope your budgeting is going really well also. I am going to start with my 100 envelopes, and let's see what dice I'm going to use. I think I will use 2 greens today. If you've just joined my channel and you don't know how I play my 100 envelopes, what I do is I roll a couple of dice, and then whatever number it lands on, I count envelopes, and whatever envelope I pull out, depending on how much is on the envelope, that is what I stuff. So let's do this. So we've got 5 here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's £20. So we'll put 20 in there, and I'm going to do another one. 2. Right, so that's 1, 2. That's another £20. So we'll just stuff those. And I have this lovely little box that I've just put in here just to keep everything organized and stop the envelopes from falling down. I have a divider here, and behind this the divider, it's all the envelopes that I've stuffed so far. So that's looking good, and I'm not in any rush to finish this one. It's quite exciting actually, considering I've got all these envelopes to fill. So just can't wait. All right, so the next one is, let's see, the big roll the dice, and I'll get that out. I will use a couple of red ones. So we've got a 4 and a 2, that's 6. 4 and a 2. There we go. 4 and a 2, that's 6. And let's do another one. That's 2. 2 ones. So 4 and, what did we have? 4 and 2, that was 6, and 2 is 8. So we'll just put £10 in today for that. Let's get that out, and here is the envelope for this one. Great, and then we'll go on to the small roll the dice, and I'll use a couple of blues. Shall I use the blue? Yeah, use the blue. So we've got 6 and a 4, that's 10. What colour shall we use today? 6 and a 4 is 10. Let's do a pink. So that's 6 and 4. 6 and a 4. That's 10. That is plenty today. I'm not putting in any more in that one. No. There we go. And then we've got the mini green challenge. I'll get the dies out for that. And what colour dice shall I use? We'll use the white. Let's use the white for that one. So that's a 5 and 6, that's 11. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's £5. 6 and 1, that's 7. Let's count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 6 so far. And we've got 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2. So that's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 8. Let's go on, do some more. That's 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 10. So that's 10 and 8. That's 18. And we'll just do 20. Great. That's great. I really like this mini challenge. This mini savings. And the Roll and Strike. Oh, I love this one. I love this one. Oh dear. I'm going to play a few boxes. I think I feel quite charitable with this one today because I still got a few pounds left, and this is the last challenge that I've got. So let's roll the dice. That's 5. Okay, let's 5. Okay, let's go again. 3. Oh, I'm going the wrong way, aren't I? Doesn't matter. Still going to, I should have started here. Just get excited sometimes, you know. Looking good, looking good. Last week wasn't good at all. I only got 1. 2. Come on, 6. Come on, 6. 2. So we've got 6 and 4. That's 10. And let's just use the red one to mark it all off. So that's £10. And let's go again. Let's start with this one. 3. 5. Come on now, come on. 3. No, so that's 6 and 4 is 10, 12, 13. So we will just put 15 in today. That's 25 already. Shall I do another one? Let's do another one. 2. 2. Oh God, that's 10, 15, 18, 19. So that's £20. £20. £20. Okay. You win some, you lose some. It's all good. It's my savings. Got one more box to do when this one comes around again. So I am very pleased with what I have achieved today. And I I'm happy to do my little savings. Now let's see what we've got rollover. Should have 5, 10, 15, and that is going to go into my rollover for my save 2024 in 2024, or I can put it towards my sinking funds. Just depends how I feel. That was lovely. I really enjoyed that. Next week will be Bag a Book, the autumn puzzle pieces, Rainy Wellies, Save 2024 and 2024, and my favorite veggies and favorite fruits. So if you did like this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, and also if you can subscribe to this channel if it's beneficial to you, and also hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back really, really soon. Bye for now.